Welcome students. Let us discuss 10 plus 2 related topic relations and functions. Dear students, what is a relation? We shall discuss relation. A relation are from a non-empty set. What is meaning of non-empty set? Non-empty set means at least one element should be there in set A. To non-empty set B means there is at least one element in set B is a subset of Cartesian product A and B. What is Cartesian product of A and B? It is order pair. Order pair means we take first element A belonging to capital A and B belonging to capital B. Small a belongs to capital A, then small b belongs to capital B. Now, in this case, it is subset of Cartesian product of AB. Means we can take elements as our desire. Means A, B. It describes the relationship between first element and second element of the order pairs in A and B. Cartesian product. Now, what can be paired? A and B. It means A can be parallel to B. These are lines. A can be perpendicular to B. It can be relation. Then A can be double of B. It can be relation. A is sister of B. It can be relation. A is brother of B. A is father of B. A is mother of B. These are all relations. Now in this case, second element B is called image of the first element. First element is A. This is related to relation. What is function? Function is somewhat different. Let X and Y denote two non-empty sets. Non-empty set means at least one element should be there. At least. A function or mapping f from x into y, f mapping from x to y is a rule by which x belongs to capital X is associated with unique element of y. What is meaning of it? Suppose I am taking fx equal to 3x. When I substitute x equal to 0, we are getting f0 equal to 0. X equal to 1, f1 equal to 3. It means pairs are 0, 0, 1, 3. If I put here 2, then answer is 6. We can take another example. For example, fx equal to e raised power x. x0, f0 equal to 1. x1, f1 equal to e. Now pair are 0, 1, 1, e, etc. We say f is mapping of x into y or f is function of x to y. These are examples of function. It is an algebraic function. This is called exponential function. There can be trigonometric function, signum function, modulus function, or there are more types of function, constant function also, etc. X is called domain. Domain and Y is called codomain. These elements are 0 and 1, domain. 0 and 3, these are codomain. The set formed by F images of the elements of Y is called range. What is range? Suppose we are given, here substitution is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now range is up to 3 multiply 5, 15. Maximum number can occur is 15. Suppose we are given value up to 10, x equal to 10, then 30 also will be there. It means range is a part of code mean. Range is subset of code mean. And I am sure you understand this point. Please like, share and subscribe Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Thank you.